Hi. Comparison question FAQ. Edexcel English B 91 syllabus. What is the question? The question asks you to compare between two non-fiction texts, but you are expected to comment on both similarities and dissimilarities between them. How many marks are at stake? The question carries 15 marks, which is 15% of the English paper. Is there any choice? No. You have to answer the only question. How long should I write? Length of any answer depends on not only marks but also time. This is an essay type answer. You may write for 20 minutes. The real length also depends on your writing style and mark scheme provided by the examination board. What should I know to be able to answer the question well? You should know the themes or contents of the passages. You should also know the writer's craft, the language and style through which they communicate with the readers. What aspects of language and style I should look out for? There are many, but you should know the most salient features of writer's language and style, such as genre, title, purpose of writing, target audience, tone and register, use of figurative language such as simile, metaphor, personification, symbol, alliteration, hyperbole, onomatopoeia, contrast, oxymoron, paradox, humor, anecdote, etc. You may also comment on layout, typography, paragraphing, use of pictures, maps, graphs, punctuation marks. On vocabulary, you can observe use of jargon, soothing adjectives, violent verbs, high or low frequency words, etc. Atmosphere, feelings, attitude of characters can also be commented on. How should I develop my answer? First, make a general observation about similarity and dissimilarity. Then make your observations. Each observation should be of point plus evidence plus explanation. For example, if two texts are of the same genre, say both are newspaper reports, then you may make a point like this. Both the passages are reports from daily newspapers. As you can see from their headlines, the headlines are short, predict the contents clearly, and thus help the reader to decide whether to read further or not. How many points should my answer comprise? The examiners don't specify that. They rather use the term best fit to evaluate answers. My advice is to show 6 to 7 points of similarity plus difference. There may be more similarity than difference points or vice versa. So you may choose more points of similarity or difference as your task demands. Your introduction to the answer may be like this. Quote, between two texts, we can see both similarities and differences in content, language, and style. Let us identify some of those and their impact on the readers. Para, the first similarity that ... unquote. Any tips about language? Yes. To show similarity, use similarly, likewise, in the same way, etc. And to show dissimilarity, use on the other hand, on the contrary, conversely, however, etc. Best of luck. You may contact me for any help on 01730 713 994 or 01819 421 382.